Welcome to NME ICT Sakshat e-Content project under Ministry of HRD Government of India. This project is of marketing management. The project is under NME ICT, that is National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology. Under this mission, a proper balance between content generation, research in critical areas relating to imparting of education, and connectivity for integrating our knowledge with the advancement in other countries is to be attempted. In order to bolster our knowledge resources to obtain and maintaining the competitive edge in the world, we require a system of identification and nurturing of talent and lifelong learning. Knowledge modules based on personalized needs of the learner would need to be delivered to him or her at the right time with the right content interactively to take care of his or her aspirations. With these objectives in mind, these videos are created for the portal Sakshat. We will learn basic marketing over here.
Hi, I am LL means learner. I am learner of marketing management. I'll learn marketing in master's class. The desire for learning marketing comes out of interest. This is very interesting topic. Marketing management is seen everywhere in the society. You see up or down, you see here and there, you can see brand names and logos and advertisements and people working in marketing area. I am very much interested in learning marketing. Let us learn marketing from Dr. J. Badiani. He is going to teach marketing management under Sakshat e-Content Development Project under National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology, that means NME-ICT. Let us start learning. Good morning to all. Today, we are going to learn evaluation of marketing efforts.
Hello and welcome to Sakshat e-Content on marketing management. Today we are going to understand evaluation of marketing efforts. An organization's overall marketing plan must be translated into a series of sales plans that specify regional or territory goals. Evaluation of marketing performance is based on whatever it has met to appropriate goals or objectives. Whether it has met to its goals or objectives, that is what is evaluation, and control will be afterwards. So marketing evaluation includes to see whether or how much deviation is there from the planned objectives and goals with the territories of sales or even at the top policy levels. Techniques used after the marketing plan period to analyze success in achieving individual marketing objectives and to more broadly assess the entire organizational's marketing efforts, that is what is you can say is evaluation of marketing plans. Managers use several techniques to evaluation or to check the performance. They are marketing plan analysis, sales analysis, market share analysis, or even marketing cost analysis, profitability analysis, effectiveness rating review, or audit. Even financial analysis, customer satisfaction tracking, and marketing expenses to sales, that kind of ratios, their analysis can be used to see that whether you seen or you met to the planned objective or not. First, let us look them one by one. First, let us see marketing plan analysis. Marketing plan analysis involves comparing actual performance with planned or expected performance for a specific period of time. If actual performance is unsatisfactory, corrective actions may be needed. Plans must sometimes be revised because the uncontrollable variables. Second is sales analysis. Sales analysis measures and evaluates actual sales in relationship to goals. Two specific tools make it work. That is what is number one, sales variance analysis, that measures the relative contribution of different factors to a gap in sales performance. And second is micro sales analysis, which looks at specific products, territories, and so forth that fail to produce expected results. Next technique is market share analysis. Market share analysis don't reveal, sales don't reveal how well the company is performing in relation to competitors. For this purpose, management needs to track the market on the basis of market share. Let us say if company is growing at 15%, you'd be happy that you are growing, but the total market is growing at, let's say, 30%, then your growth is half of it. I mean to say, you have to see the share of your growth to the total growth. The share which you hold in the previous days, the planned date, and the actual performance date. Well, overall market share expresses the company's sales as a percentage of total market sales. Served market share is sales as a percentage of total sales of the market. It is all the buyers able and willing to buy the product. And served market share is always larger than overall market share. A company could capture 100% of this served market and yet have a relatively small share in total market. Relative market share is a market share in relationship to the largest competitor, or maybe related to the nearest competitor several times. A relative market share over 100% indicates a market leader, or you are above the related competitor. Marketing cost analysis is the next technique. Marketing cost analysis is used to evaluate the cost effectiveness of various marketing factors such as different product lines, order size, distribution methods, sales territories, channel members, salespersons, advertising media, customer types, etc. Next technique is marketing profitability analysis, which is divided into three steps. 1. Identifying functional expenses. Number 2. Assigning functional expenses to marketing entities. And number 3. Preparing a profit and loss statement for each marketing entity. Next technique is marketing effectiveness rating review. Marketing effectiveness is not necessarily revealed by current sales and profit performance. Good results could be due to divisions being in the right place at the time rather than having effective marketing management. Next technique talks about marketing audit. A marketing audit is a systematic, critical, and unbiased review and appraisal of the basic goals and policies of the marketing function and of the organization, methods, procedures, and personnel employed to implement those policies to achieve goals. Clearly, not every evaluation of marketing personnel, organizations, or methods is a marketing audit. At best, most such evaluations can be regarded as part of the audit. The purpose of marketing audit is to examine a firm's marketing efforts so as to determine 1. How well they are being conducted, and number 2. How they can be improved. Next technique talks about financial analysis. Management uses financial analysis to identify factors that affect the company's rate of return on net worth. The return on net worth is the product of two ratios, the company's return on assets and its financial leverage. To improve its return on net worth, the company must increase its ratio of net profits to assets or increase the ratio of assets to net worth. Next is customer satisfaction tracking. The preceding measures are largely financial and quantitative in nature. They are important but not sufficient. The need of a need of qualitative measures that provide early warning to management of impending market share changes. This is what is required over here. Alert companies set up system to monitor the attitudes and satisfaction of customer, dealers and other stakeholders. By monitoring changing levels of customer preferences and satisfaction before they affect sales, management can take earlier actions. Next and last is marketing expenses to sales analysis. Annual plan control requires making sure that the company is not overspending to achieve its goals. Manager, that's why, need to prepare this marketing expenses on each entity to sales ratios. So this was about preparing and evaluating marketing efforts, which will ultimately be helpful in the control process. The techniques, there can be various techniques even beyond whatever is said over here. But the major techniques we have looked are marketing plan analysis or sales analysis, then market share analysis, then we have looked to marketing cost analysis, then we have looked to marketing profitability analysis, then we said about marketing effectiveness rating review, then marketing audit, then financial analysis, then customer satisfaction tracking, and marketing expenses to sales ratio. So this was about evaluation of marketing efforts. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for the class and watching. I have learned a lot. Did you? Have a good day from the learner.